Welcome everyone back again to another tutorial on this channel. This time we talk about how you can disable the iPad passcode on your specific iPad. Now this is a simple process, as all you need to do is to just open up the settings and in the left panel just scroll down until you find the Face ID and Passcode section. If you have an iPad which doesn't have Face ID but has Touch ID, it's going to be marked Touch ID and Passcode, but it's essentially the very same thing. So you will likely be prompted to enter your current passcode. So this is kind of important to know. And when you get inside, you just need to find the option to turn passcode off. And you will probably and most likely be required to type that passcode in once again to confirm that it's you. And then you will essentially end up with a reset iPad with no passcode. But of course, I need to just say this disclaimer: having a passcode on your iPad is much more secure and quite frankly better for your iPad, so I would recommend you to keep it on at all times. It doesn't have to be the 6-digit or anything like really that complex. It can be 4-digit as well, still better than nothing. So make sure you keep your passcodes and your iPad's devices secure and as safe as possible. So that's it. These are my 2 cents on it. Let me know down below in the comments if you are managed to just like get it to work, or what is your current situation with this. But for now, thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later on in the next tutorial in the future.